The shadows grow long, the room is so cold, carrying a weight that makes me feel old. I look in the mirror, but no one is there, just an empty reflection, a silent despair. I'm walking this road with no one inside, searching for morning, but trapped in the night. Oh Galili Tu, I am so lonely. Na Vude, life is hard. Tears fall in the silence, hidden in the dark. I'm drifting away, a lost little spark. Isa, no bukalo. Oh my God, please heal this heavy heart. Now I need my diet of it. The tears flow, no hands to hold me, no comfort, no rest. Kagi kaukawa, strong wind blowing right through my chest. When the burden is heavy and the world fades away, Autagive Kemuni, I cry to you, teaching my soul how to pray. I've tried to be strong, I've tried to stand tall, but my spirit is breaking, I'm ready to fall. So I bow my knee to you in the silence of my room. Baby, I just need to pray a little harder through the gloom. Aukuva veikemuni, nongu turaga. I bow to you, my Lord. Meu masuva kaukaua. Life is hard. Tears fall in the silence, hidden in the dark. I'm drifting away, a lost little spark. Isa, no bukalo.